Hello gorgeous girl, welcome back to my channel, and today I know you're absolutely gonna love today's workout because it's quick, it's effective, and it's fun. So check, check, and check. And for this workout I did use a fitness band. Now I love using fitness loops and using fitness bands because it adds such a great amount of challenge to your workouts. It really builds your strength, it builds up that intensity, but it also makes it really fun. You can do a lot of interesting moves with it. So this is a little sneak peek of a workout that I pulled directly from my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. This is just a little taste of what you'll find inside of it, and you can check it out down below here. But without further ado, let's get started with this arm focus workout. Yeah girl, I said arms. I know you love the arms. So let's do it. Let's lengthen our band, so if you got a super long one like me, and then just do a couple rolls just so that we have a nice pretty end. So one end is really tucked in, the other one's long, okay, and just kind of dangle here. I want you to just take this arm and just press it back. Now that was way too much for me, so I gotta go a little lighter, okay? You do you. Good, keep going here, straight back, skim past your body. We got it. That's it, and feel that tricep engaging. No jingle jangle arms here, and good. Stay here, pulse, 2. Hi, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good. Now we're gonna go back straight again. Back and back. Breathe with me here. Back. Good. Shoulders down. Good. And 6. That's it. 7. Stay with it. 8. Really press straight back. 9. Now here you're gonna go palm up, pinky up. Palm up, pinky up. Little pulse. Up, pinky, palm, pinky. This is 5. Woo! 6. Stay with it here. 7. Hello, triceps. 8. Oh yes, honey, you got it. 9. Last one, and good. All right, excellent. Woo, lordy, lordy. Okay, so make sure your shoulders are down your back here. We're gonna pull back with a little twist. Elbow goes back, pull it. And we pull it. Very good. And pull. That's it. Pull. You've got to keep your hip bones forward. And pull. Feel the obliques engaging here. Pull. 8. Really squeeze the waist. 9. Last one. Stay here. Pulse it. 2, 3. Good. 4. You got it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and excellent. Now bring your both hands up, go a little bit looser if you need to, and your body will tell you what you need to do, okay? I want you to bring your elbow in, then go straight out. I actually think I nailed it this time, and straight down. You see the difference here? We pull the elbow in, we pull it straight down. Elbow in, and pull it straight down. The other hand is just up in the air. It's not doing anything special. You're keeping that shoulder down your back. And good, you've got it. This is 5. Perfect, almost there. 6, stay with it. 7, good. 3 more sets. Awesome, good. 2 more. Perfect, perfect. Last one here. And great. Okay, good. Give yourself a little shoulder roll here. Relax the neck and shoulders. Have a little sip. Cheers. Let's go ahead and do the other side. So we just have to kind of switcheroo. So give yourself a couple good rolls here. Really doesn't matter, you know, it's just about making sure that it's nice and even here, clean. Okay, so I want you to just take this arm and we're gonna just go straight back, okay? Straight back. Hello into the tricep. Back. Good. And back. Keep going here. And 5. Yes, yes. And this is 6. Stay with me. 7. Oh yes, you've got it. 8. Good. 2 more here. Now stay up and pulse it. 2. Small pulse. 3. Really engage that tricep. 7, 8, 9. Back to the straight back. Pull it back. Forward. Pull it back. That's it. 3. Woo. And 4. Good. You got it. 5. Breathe here. 6. 7, whew, and 8, come on. I know it burns, it's burning me too, I promise you. Now here, palm up, pinky up, palm up. Oh, pinky up. I was really working on my triceps yesterday, so I'm feeling this. Good, keep going. 5, whew, 6, stay with it. 7, she says to herself. 8, good, come on, we're transformers. Last one, and good. All right, bring the arm up. You might wanna go a little bit looser. Bring the elbow to the waist, out to the side, straight arm. Down and pull it out. Very good. Down and pull it out. You've got it. And down and pull it out. Come on, we can do it together. Down and pull it out. Down and pull it out. Couple more here. Good, that's it. Keep going, 4 more sets. Down, good. 3 more, we can do it. And good, 2 more times, make it count. And out, last one here. And good, all right, so let's lengthen this again. So just free yourself, okay? And kind of fold the band in half here. Again, pretty wide stance here. Arms are up above our head. I want you to just pull it in front of the chest, pull it behind the chest. So we're just opening here and opening. Do you feel it? Do you love it? Opening and good. We got it here. Open and that's it. Keep going here. Open. Whew. And good. Couple more. Open. 2 more. We can do it together. And good. Last one here. And good, all right, good. Wasn't that so fun? And the band really adds that little extra bit of challenge that I know that you love. Now, by now, I know how much you all love arm workouts. In fact, my most popular videos here on YouTube are all arm workouts. So I've got something really, really special for you. If you haven't already checked out my signature program, Amazing Arms in just 7 days, then you want to do that right now. It is linked down below right in the description box, and I'll also leave it up here in the corner so you can just click on the little card here. It is my signature program that helps you to get beautifully toned, long, lean arms in just 15 minutes a day. So to be really clear, these are all videos. It's all videos that you cannot find here on YouTube, that they are unique to this program. So if you know that arms are your focus, and let's face it ladies, spring is right around the corner, then you'll want to check this out right now, and I'll see you inside. Bye!